What's going on YouTube? Uberman here, and we're doing a real quick walk around of Copart. I don't even know how something like this happens. Where do you get all the dirt and gravel that's in where the interior of the car used to be, you know? Where and there's like somebody's pants mixed in with all that. I mean, wow. I don't even know what this used to be. Unbelievable. Alright, so there's something I'm actually looking at today. And I know a lot of you guys hate these old vehicles that I get into, but I'm kind of passionate about them. And I found this, and I'm the winning bidder. This is an 86 Ford F250 XL. And I know I'm not getting the whole picture here, but this thing is in just amazing original condition. And I really like finding original condition vehicles that I can change up and do what I want to with, so I can make them non-original. But I like knowing that everything is still pretty much original stock on this thing. The tires are just absolutely shot. The body is in such good condition. I mean, we're talking no rust at all anywhere, almost no dings, but the tires all look like this. The tires are just shot, all four of them. Got a few little dings on the door panel here, which you probably can't see. Very tiny, very tiny. And here's the front tire. As you can see, you know, that's what it looks like. The front tires are just totally dry rotted. Take a look underneath, and look at this old suspension. Crazy, right? Got a tiny bit of oil weeping from the front seal. No big deal. Can look underneath at the rest of it, and you can see that the transmission pan it's not leaking badly, but it's weeping. So a few minor leaks here and there, but nothing crazy. And I just had this thing running, so I revved it up pretty good. This has a 7.5 liter. Tim, will you pop that hood? You should just be able to hit it, tap it on the top. May have to hit it a little harder than that. Lift it. Is it stuck? Uh-oh. I got the hood stuck, guys. Let me see if I can... There we go. I had to put a little power behind it. It's open. You got to push the latch. It's under... Got it? It should be just right here somewhere.
That's not it.
Yeah, that's it. There should be a lever. How interesting is this?
Maybe it's one of those ones you push down and it lets go.
Neither Tim nor I can figure out
Watch your fingers.
how to open this hood. No, that's not going to do it.
No.
What the heck?
We just had it open a minute ago.
Yeah, we literally just had this open a minute ago. All right. Oh, here we go. For future reference, it's down on the bottom.
Oh, wow, that's backwards.
And I'm gonna include this in the video too. Whatever. So here's the engine. 7.5 liter. It's a 460 cubic inch. It's got a Holley carburetor, 4-barrel, obviously. Smog has been deleted. You can see there used to be a smog pump here that's removed. You've got these air injection lines into the intake. Into the exhaust. Those have been plugged and removed as well. Same thing over here. You can see these are the fresh air injection lines that the small pump would pump clean air into these little ports down here in the exhaust manifold. Horrible, horrible. Emissions regulations really killed American engines, American muscle, man. 460 cubic inch V8. This thing should be pumping out an easy 350, 400 horsepower. But I think this thing is limited down to like 215, but it has about 400 foot-pounds of torque. So this is a really torquey, big block motor. Fired up for you. She runs great. I mean, real good. We even have the original Ford key. Look at that. Fires right up. And we started it up from cold, and no smoke, no funny noises. It goes right into gear. Got a trailer brake down there. We have cruise control. We have an MP3 player radio. We have working, all of this works. The AC does not come on, but the compressor is good. I already checked the compressor. Signals work, lights work. Glove box has all kinds of stuff in it. Lots of fuses and stuff. Compressor clutch is good, but there's no Freon in it, so obviously a leak somewhere. Tires are bad, but the interior is pretty clean. I'm pretty impressed. It's in pretty good shape. Even the seat, it's got a little tear right here, but I mean, it's not too bad. Back here, the back seat looks pretty decent. The bed looks good. Spare tires mounted underneath it. So I won the bid at $475, but they countered me, and the seller and I have been back and forth on this one. He wanted like 11 or 12, and I was like, nah. We're about at a halfway point. He's up to he's down to 850, and I'm up to 750. So I'm willing to pay 750. He's wanting 850. Hopefully we can come to an agreement and pick this up. But I mean, even at 850, I feel like this is a great deal. A great deal. And here's the air conditioner right here. This is the pulley that spins the clutch. Then you have a magnetic field that's activated by these two wires, and it pulls this clutch in, and you can see the clutch spins nice and freely. So you probably put a little bit of stop leak in this thing and some Freon, and air conditioner probably fire right up. I like it, man. I do. I like it. It's a very torquey engine. I mean, this thing's got almost as much torque as my 2017 Mustang GT. So it shouldn't have a problem pulling anything. But obviously it's going to need tires, and it's going to need a few little things here and there. It's got a cracked windshield. But overall, runs great. And I have no doubt the transmission shifts fine. I checked all the fluids. Fluids look good. So, you know, there she is. I did post something on YouTube the other day about this, saying that it was like a 7.8 liter diesel. That was my mistake. I misread the listing. I thought it was a diesel, so I jumped on it. Let me tell you something, guys. This truck, I bid on it sight unseen. I missed the auction by about an hour. Auction starts at noon. I got on at about, I don't know, 1 o'clock, 1:15, just to see what was happening, and this was the first thing on the list. As soon as I pulled up the auction on the computer, boom, this popped up. Said run and drive. It was at $400 or $3 something. It started at $3 something. I bid until I won it at $425. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Comment below. Do you think that I should buy this? The seller wants $850 for it, and I can have it right now. Do you think I should buy it for $850? Do you think I should stick to my guns at $750 and see what happens? Let me know in the comments below. I got to get out of here. Stay safe, guys. Comment below. Like the video. I'll catch you soon in the next one and let you know if I bought this truck or not.